Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, go and get your sunglasses because this one's gonna be a bright one. I am going to be using Reflex Orange for this base. So this one is as neon as it gets, guys. So Reflex Orange is gonna be the base by Amsterdam. Super, super, super neon here, okay? It is bright, super duper bright. So that is the color. And actually, let's look. It is transparent. So I've already gone ahead, painted my edges. This is an 11 by 14 inch canvas. So it's just a smaller one. And I sat and thought long and hard about what colors to choose. And I went on to Pinterest. And then this color reminds me of my husband's like all-time favorite football team, the Miami Dolphins. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to do a Miami Dolphins themed pour today for him. I don't know. I'll sell it if I want. And if it doesn't sell because the colors are just really weird, then I'll just hang it up in my husband's new office when we move. So the colors I'm going to be using, so Miami Dolphins colors are orange, turquoise, and white, okay? In fact, I did a painting, hold on, for my husband. Sorry, hold on. So I had done a triptych for my husband, and this is what got me started with paints and brushes about 4 years ago. And I did this triptych for my husband. I'll just show you one of the panels, but I actually painted this for my husband. And you know what? All these years, I never did resin it, and I should totally resin it. But anywho, I painted this, and so you can see orange, turquoise, 2 shades of turquoise actually, because the dolphin has 2 shades of turquoise and white. So that is part of the triptych I did for him. And you know what? Maybe when I have time in the new home, I might resin that. Oh, it is covered in dust. Ha! Look at that. So it's been here in the basement all these years in his man cave. So those are the colors I'm going to do. And now that I just saw that the dolphin has a darker color, I debated whether I should add this. And now I'm going to, because the dolphin has 2 shades of turquoise in him. So because of that now, I'm going to rearrange my order of my paints, actually. Or I might just leave it the way I have it. Yeah, I might just leave it like that. So, new colors. I'm going to start with Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. And then I'm going to use Titanium White by Amsterdam. Then I have Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. Then I have Pearl by Deco Art, because I wanted to add a pearl in there and kind of like shimmer. And so that's why I added the pearl, even though I have the white. See, I'm still second guessing myself here. And then topping it off, I am going to add orange, the Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza, because it is actually a nice color. And now that I'm looking at this like this, I'm wondering if I should change the composition, or not the composition, the order of my paints, because I don't like that these two are side by side. Maybe I'll just leave it, because it was originally going to be like that, right? So I'll just leave it. I'll leave it like that. Here's the very, very, very bright orange base. And then here is the flower hair dryer, which is what I'm going to be using. And I'm very weary about these colors. So all these paintings you've seen me do so far have been ideas off of Pinterest. I get the color palette ideas off of Pinterest. This color palette came out of my head. So if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. We shall see. So I am going to flood my canvas, and I shall be right back. All right, everybody, so I'm ready to go. Honestly, my eyes are killing me. This is so bright. Like, I should go put sunglasses on. Like, it is ridiculously bright. I think in an upcoming video, I'm going to be doing reflex yellow too. So there's going to be like a neon yellow, or maybe, I'm not sure. I have to figure that out, but Whew, this is so bright. All right, so small canvas. I'm going to just do what I did with the Naples yellow red base, and I'm just going to do one line and do it that way because I'm really worried about these colors. I'm not really sure how they're going to look. I might be pleasantly surprised. I may not, but we shall see. So I am just going to just do, that's it. Like, I mean, it looks gorgeous here, but my worry is when you blow it out. That's going to be my worry. I really hope it works out because I would love this to work out, and then my husband can hang it in his office, right? His new office in the new home when we move very, very, very soon. But we'll see. We'll see how it blows out. All right, turquoise blue by Amsterdam. I'm thinking, I was going to say add more white, but I've got the pearl here, so that'll break it up actually. Okay, and then topping it off, this pearl tangerine. This should be interesting. I really, really did like the metallic cobalt blue though. I really like it, and I'm debating whether I should put a little more of it, but then I'm worried maybe I shouldn't. I did put quite a bit in the base. All right, so let's see what happens with this one. Cross your fingers for me because this one, out of all the paintings I've done, this one I'm worried about the most. So let's see what happens. Wow. The only thing I'm disappointed about here is my white. There's no white in it at all. The white has disappeared. All I see is turquoise and orange. So I'm a little disappointed in that. But wow. I wanted more white in here, but there's no way I can add that now after the fact. I love the turquoise. Like, this is so ridiculously bright. It is ridiculously bright. I'm not too thrilled with all of this happening here. I'm not happy with that. The rest I'm okay with. I don't know. I think the colors look good. My problem is this here, and there's no white. My white is gone. I don't like that my white is gone. Well, out of all the pieces I've done, one has to be a dud, right? Well, I wouldn't call it a dud. It's just not what I had envisioned. I really, really wanted a lot more of the white in there. I should have put more white, but I was worried about the white, but I should have put more white. Aside from that, I do love the turquoise and the orange. It does look good together. I just wanted more white. Yeah, I wanted a lot more white. Actually, I wanted white. There is no white. It's just disappeared. But, all right, I'm going to touch up my edges because I don't think there's any way I can add any white without mucking it up or leaving like a really hard line of a white streak. So I'm going to leave it and I'm going to touch up my edges and I will be right back. All right, so I've already gone ahead, scraped on my drips. Now, this is so bright. I really like it. Again, I wish there was a little more white in it, but it is pretty though. And I just hope it dries just as nice. Like I love that turquoise in there. The turquoise and the orange really do look good together. I just wish there was some white in there. And I wish a lot of these petals hadn't, you know, been taken over by all the orange cells. I would have preferred if they were just solid turquoise, but it is what it is. Maybe it was the reflex orange that kind of messed that up. I'm not sure, but let's check out the shimmer. Alrighty, so the flash is on and we've got the blue shimmer because of the metallic cobalt blue and then the orange, tangerine orange by Arteza. So there's definitely shimmer in here. There's no doubt about that. There's the metallic cobalt blue on the edge. Really pretty. Maybe I should have put blue, another strip of the metallic cobalt blue on the top. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know, but it is what it is. So we'll see how it dries. I'll be very curious to see how this dries. And there you have it, everybody. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments below. If someone is interested in this piece, it is available for purchase. And if eventually no one does buy it, then I understand. It's quite the interesting colors, but maybe there's a Miami Dolphins fan out there who may want this really, really bad. So if you do, you can email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. And that is it. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I would greatly appreciate it. So that is it. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.